Today we're going to make sweet potato casserole. TT, we are putting the secret ingredients.
TT, we are put the secret ingredients.
Next we put 2 cans of sweet potatoes.
Next we add 2 eggs.
Next we're going to put the vanilla to make it have flavor. Next we're going to mix it. Let's push it in and then do it.
Looks like baby food. Looks like baby food, Mommy. Like Karen's baby food. Now we just gotta taste test it.
Next we put 300 minutes.
Happy Thanksgiving!
For more videos, like and subscribe.